गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। दिस इज़ द लास्ट लेक्चर ऑफ यूनिट 4, जिसमें हम मीडिया ब्रॉडकास्टर ह्यूमैनिटेरियन एजेंसी के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। लास्ट लेक्चर में मैंने मीडिया के बारे में पढ़ा था कि मीडिया जो कितने हाउ इज़ इट इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर आवर सोसाइटी और आवर कंट्री और आवर स्टेट्स और आवर होम। हमारे लिए मीडिया कितनी ज़रूरी है ना। मीडिया के अकॉर्डिंग वेज पे ही हम ये सारी चीज़ें करती हैं। हाँ, कुछ उसके नेगेटिव इम्पैक्ट भी थे ने मीडिया के, लेकिन उसके पॉजिटिव इम्पैक्ट एज कम्पेयर टू नेगेटिव ज़्यादा है। मीडिया ब्रॉडकास्टर एंड ह्यूमैनिटेरियन एजेंसी देखते हैं। नॉट ओनली द वे इन विच मीडिया रिप्रेजेंट्स विक्टिम्स ऑफ ह्यूमैनिटेरियन क्राइसिस हैज़ एन इम्पैक्ट ऑफ डिजास्टर मैनेजमेंट थ्रू द response of different audience, but also the timing involved in reporting human suffering. The disaster emergency committee DEC क्या है? disaster emergency committee DEC, an umbrella organization from 13 leading UK aid agencies, was forced to delay its East Africa crisis appeal in 2011 in the context of major food crisis until photographs of visible malnourished children become available to use the media campaign PADI 2012. As humanitarian aid agencies depend on the media broadcaster to launch their appeals, this leaves them with little or no chance for decision making on when that appeal will be shown. The agenda of media broadcaster might be different to that from the humanitarian agencies, leading to a delay in the launch of humanitarian appeal. In the case of DEC, disaster emergency committee, the agenda of media broadcaster lead to the food crisis. Ad agencies such as the DEC are dependent on the success on their campaigns to raise fund for their project, therefore are often obliged to delay the deployment of an appeal to fulfill the agenda of media broadcaster organ ETL 2012. आपने देखा होगा जो भी बड़ी बड़ी WHO और ये सब संस्थाएं होती हैं, ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस होती हैं, संस्थाएं, इनमें पूरा हर कंट्री अपना फंड देती है। फंड क्यों देती है कि मान लो किसी भी इमरजेंसी क्राइसिस के बेस पे वो सारी चीज़ें सब लोग अपना उसमें पार्टिसिपेशन करते हैं। ठीक है, उसी प्रकार इसके लिए भी डिजास्टर इमरजेंसी कमेटी भी डिसाइड हुई थी। इसमें भी सारी जो कंट्रीज़ थी वो अपना अपना जो पार्टिसिपेशन था, जो भी फंड था, उस चीज़ के लिए देती थी। मीडिया कवरेज एंड कन्फ्लिक्ट मैनेजमेंट, द CNN इफेक्ट द एजेंडा ऑफ द मीडिया कैन नेगेटिवली देयरफॉर नॉट ओनली इन द इम्पैक्ट ऑफ ह्यूमैनिटेरियन अपील but also in the development of a humanitarian crisis, especially if the media coverage fails to report certain phases in conflict management. In the context of CNN effect, the dominated the debate of the media as the driver of policy change in conflict management, forcing government to intervene military in humanitarian crisis. On the other hand, dictators of the CNN have argued that not only the media does not determine a change in government policy, but often fail. Humanitarian disaster in Somalia back in 1991 is just one example how not only the international community but the media coverage failed to acknowledge a situation of extreme risk for the lives of thousands of people, despite early warning of the armed conflict leading to a famine. In the international response elaborate, the famine in Somalia did not really gain traction in the media in 1991. Along the Washington Post and the New York Times published nearly 2,000 articles on the former Yugoslavia. However, on a total of 186 were published regarding Somalia in the same year. The number increased 1025 toward the end of the following year when military intervention was announced by the US government and the number of casualties rose 100,000. Medicine Sans Frontiers 2013. Nevertheless, Somalia would not be only case where media coverage failed to report human suffering despite evidence provided by UN military observer in relation to the mutilation and mass killing. Liberation and Lee Mondi coverage in genocide in 1994. In fact, after the massacre in Chikando, an article written by Alain Silono 1994 would refer to Rwanda as a small, poor, and globally insignificant region. In the case of Rwanda, Western media failed not only to acknowledge the magnitude of the genocide but also accurately reporting the event. ये एक simple सा जो यूएस में जो कंडीशन क्रिएट हुई थी उसका एक डेटा आपको बताया गया है कि वहाँ ऐसी कंडीशन जब क्रिएट हुई थी मीडिया ने वहाँ क्या किया था, है ना। तो ये एक पिक्चर व्यू है, वहाँ सिंपल सा इतनी ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम्स क्रिएट हुई थी उस समय, तो आप देख पा रहे होंगे इस पिक्चर में, ठीक है। Priorities in media coverage. The Karma report. The self-interest has been regarded as a precondition for significant coverage and a humanitarian crisis by the Karma report on the Western media coverage of humanitarian disaster Frank 2006, despite sinking within a week of each other in 2005 and causing over a thousand death. Hurricane Katrina gathered over 3,000 reference in a UK newspaper by the end of 2006. However, Hurricane Stanley in Guatemala only rated the mere 34 mentioned, while the news on the Katrina carried on week after the hurricane had hit New Orleans due to the economic event of the disaster. Most of the media coverage for Stanley appeared in the first week after the strict economic angle of the crisis limited media coverage. According to the Galtung and Reus 1965, other factors that promote news on the certain disaster in favor of other are the notion of the cultural proximity and the nature of the conflict. Audience connect better with the event that have clear causes such as the natural disaster. On the contrary, crisis which have complicated roots or lack of obvious target on the blame are less likely to have appeal. The nation of cultural proximity are being able to easily related to the disaster have been present in a total number of recent events such as the Paris attack in 2015. Media attack emphasizes the cruciality of the attack and the civilian nature of the scheme. Facebook launched a profile picture frame with the French flag and immediately become a sign of solidarity with the victims. Simultaneously reported a suicide attack would kill 43 people and injured over 200. Shaheen 2015. Nevertheless, media coverage in case of Beirut was much less significant than in the case of Paris, and although the nature Alaska event among their response, they example how response events create a different response time. Asian tea tsunami highlighted how being able to relate to victims and the area affected in a humanitarian crisis can trigger a wider response only in the first 6 weeks. After the tea tsunami, press coverage was more than a combination of total coverage for the previous year for key humanitarian disasters such as the Sudan war, the conflict in northern agenda. The Asian tea tsunami reached unpredictable level of aid gathered over $6 billion donated to the Central UN Relief Fund, assisting 14 countries. Flint to the beside daily climbing that toll and the availability of damage. Around 900 people from countries such as the UK, Sweden, Switzerland, and Germany perished in the natural disaster compared to the hundreds of thousands that lost their lives in 40 countries affected by the tsunami. The coverage in Western Karma reports show that 40% of total victims who are not only 1% of total amount. The diversity in the country origin from the, तो ये सिंपल सा एक आपको नेचुरल डिजास्टर वाली कंडीशन थी, इसको आप लोग रीड कर लेना, काफ़ी आसान है ये। थैंक यू।